We're back up here at Maple Motors again, and today I'm going to be doing a walk around on a 1964 Impala. What I like to do in these videos is walk around, point out any scratches, flaws, chips in the paint, anything that I see. That way when you get here, you know exactly what you're getting. You can also see all of our inventory at maplmotors.com. It's got a believed to be 327 under the hood. Very clean under here, a lot of chrome stuff. Aluminum radiator. Looks like it's got AC, power steering. And front disc brakes. Still got your insulation under your hood. And by the end of the video, I will be shutting the hood down, so you can check out the lines. We'll also do an undercarriage shot, which I have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplmotors.com, so you can check that out. Right off the bat, I noticed the front bumper's in very good condition. The grille looks nice as well. Set of aftermarket wheels. Look like Billet Specialties to me. That's a very high dollar wheel. All the trim on this car looks nice. Bottoms of the doors look good on this one as well. Not seeing any pitting in the trim. Do you love that design? Door handles seem to be new. Trunk looks nice and clean. Lines are good. Pretty good set of tires sitting on this car. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open the trunk up so we can check it out. Had a lot of rain here last night. We'll see if it's leaking. Doesn't look too bad. Lift the mat up, look under there. There's not really any water in here. Little moisture there. A lot of surface rust in the trunk. It's nothing rotted out. Spare tire. Weather stripping around the trunk looks pretty good. A little bit of rust coming through there on the edge. Go ahead and start checking the interior out here. Door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping around it looks awesome as well. Carpet's pretty nice in this car. A little dry cracking in the window sill there. Same with the weather stripping. Seat's in good shape. Doesn't look too bad in here. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up pretty easy. RPM's coming up on the dash there. Gas gauge sitting right on E. 61,000 miles is what it's showing. Radio works. Let's see if I can break some more stuff. I pulled the little knob right out of there. I was trying to see if I could get the AC on. I can put that back on, it just slips on. I'll do that after the video. But yeah, I wanted to get the air conditioning on. There it goes. I actually heard it pull down on the motor. It feels pretty cold. Of course, it's not freezing today, but it's not hot either. Did you hear it compressor kick off when I pulled it back up? Try the wipers out. Wipers work good. No horn, no horn. Horn Thieves is back. Motor's nice and quiet. Hood comes down nice and easy and shuts nice and easy. We're going to check the lines on it. A little high in the back for the hinges. Nothing major, can be adjusted out. Alright guys, I'm going to start up in the front. We're going to look under the front end, driver's side, rear, and passenger side. If you don't like the views that you're getting from the video, check out my website, weMainbsite.com. Could probably get you some more angles, close to 100 detailed pictures of all these cars. right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, share these videos for me. It helps us out greatly. You can also check out weMainbsite.com. Financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and transportation. We're getting ready to go for a test drive. We're going to take you down the road. I'll link the two videos together so you can easily get to them. But it's that time. We're going to go ahead and go for a test drive. Be looking for the link. Thanks again, guys.